Yes. Exercise 5.2, class 10th, maths. Yes, children. Question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So, first of all, 3-digit number are divisible by 7. How many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? Smallest 3-digit number is? Smallest 3-digit number is 100. So let us find out whether it is divisible by 7 or not. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 4 in hands. Sorry. 2 in hands means 100 minus 2, 99 is the smallest greatest 2-digit number which is divisible by 7. So when we will add the 7 to this number, we will get 105. So 105 is the smallest 3-digit number divisible by 7. (105) is the smallest 3-digit number divisible by now children, what is the greatest 3-digit number? Greatest 3-digit number is equal to 999. Let us check whether it is divisible by 990, whether 999 is divisible by 7 or not. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 1 in hand. 7 twos are 14. So what is remainder here, children? R is 5 is remainder is here 5. So 999 minus 5, that is 994, is divisible by 7. रिमाइंडर हमने माइनस करके चेक कर लिया कि 999 में से कौन सा नंबर है जो कि कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल है 7 से. सो द ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 9, greatest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 994. In this way we have got the AP. We have got the AP, that is 105 to 994 is the list of number which is divisible by 7. List of numbers divisible by list of 3-digit number Now children, we have got the AP whose first term is 105. Here for this AP 105 to 994, A is equal to 105, D is equal to 7 and AN is equal to 994. What is our problem? How many 3-digit number? That means N we have to find. कितने नंबर हैं जो कि 7 से डिवाइड होते हैं? How many number is divisible by? How many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? That means we have to find N here. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN की वैल्यू होगी 994 and put the value simple 105 plus N minus 1 n is unknown, d is 7 here. So 994 is equal to 105 plus 7n minus 7, which is equal to 994 is equal to 105 minus 7, that is 98, plus 7n. So 994 minus 98 is equal to 7n. So 14 minus 8 6, 18 minus 9 9, 896 is equal to 7. So n is equal to 896 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are 56. In this way, the 128 numbers are divisible by, answer, 128 numbers are divisible by 128 three-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Yes children, here what we have find, our question is how many three-digit number are divisible by 7. You have to find कि ऐसे कितने नंबर हैं कि 7 से जो डिवाइड हो सकते हैं, ऐसे कितने three-digit number हैं, how many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7. To find out this, first of all we have to choose a range. So what range we have selected? We have chosen a smallest three-digit number. Smallest three-digit number, which is 100. So first of all we'll check whether the 100 is divisible by 7 or not. So let us divide the 100 by 7. When we divide the 100 by 7, we are getting remainder 2. That means the 98 is divisible by 2. 100 minus 2 is 98. So 98 is divisible by 7. Or when we add the next, now we will find the next three-digit number. This is the greatest three-digit number which is divisible by 7. After adding the 7, we are getting here the 105. That means 105 is the smallest three-digit number divisible by 7. So in this way we have find the smallest three-digit number which is divisible by 7. Same is applied for the greatest three-digit number. We know the greatest three-digit number is 999. So we divide the 999 by 7. In this way, we are getting the remainder 5. That means 994 is the greatest three-digit number which is divisible by 7. Or in this way, we have got the AP 105 to 994, which is the list of three-digit number divisible by 7. So in this AP, the A is equal to 105, D is equal to 7, AN is equal to 994. AN is the nth term. Now we want to find the nth term. Nth term is 995. We want to find AN. So by putting the formula by putting these values in the formula, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will calculate it and find the number of terms. Thank you children. Let us move to the next question. Now same question, 14 question, we are going to attempt the question number 14. Here I am written both the question because I want to explain you that both the problems are same. Question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between the 7? We know the multiple of 4, that means all the multiples of 4 are divisible by 4. The same question, only the language is changed. In the previous question, how many three-digit number are divisible by 7? वहाँ पे आपको पूछा था कि three-digit number आपके कौन कौन से हैं जो 7 से divisible है in the previous question, और आपने उस range को find किया था. ठीक है, इन्होंने यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी लैंग्वेज चेंज की है 14th प्रॉब्लम में, और सेम प्रॉब्लम है. यहाँ पे इन्होंने रेंज दे दी है आपको 12 से 248 है, जो कि 4 डिजिट इस रेंज में आपको फाइंड करना है कि 4 के मल्टीपल कौन से. तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 दैट मीन्स डिविजिबल बाय 4. सो कीप इन योर माइंड all the multiple of 4 are divisible by 4. Divisible by from the junior classes we have been learning this. We have been learned that कि all the multiple of 4 are divisible by 4. किसी भी नंबर के मल्टीपल है तो वो उस नंबर से ज़रूर डिवाइड होते हैं, या नंबर डिवाइड ऑल इट्स मल्टीपल. सो with this we will find that कि how many numbers are, no there is no so from 10 to 25, 10 to 25, 10 to 25. What is the range here? 10 to 250. So smallest number which is divisible by 4 between 10 to 20, 250 is 12. Divide 4 3s are 12. This is the smallest 2-digit number. 12 is the smallest 2-digit number which is divisible by 4 and 250. So let us check to 250 is divisible by 4 or not. 4 6 are 24. 1 4 2s are 8. We are getting here the remainder 2. It is not 250 is not completely divisible by 4. So 250 minus 2, remainder minus करने से 240. 240 is the number. 248 is the number which is divisible by 4. So this is the AP. 12 to 248 is the list of number, is the list of numbers which are divisible by or which are the multiples of 4, which are the multiples of 4. Here in this series, A is equal to 12, D is equal to 4 and AN is equal to 248, and we have to find how many. That means we have to find the number of terms which are divisible by or which are the multiple of 4. So I hope this is a similar question to the previous question. This is similar to the previous question, or in that question we have also find the range, the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7, greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So we have got the AP. In the same way, we in the fourth question we have find the AP of the multiples of 4. So smallest multiple which is the smallest 2-digit multiple of 4 is 12, and greatest 3-digit multiple of 4 is 248 in the range of 10 to 25. They have given us the range here simply. So we have to find AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is equal to 248, A is equal to 12 plus N minus 1, and we are going to find 4. D is 4. So on solving this, 12 plus 4n minus 4, 248 plus 8 is plus 4n. So 248 is equal to 8 plus 4n. 248 minus 8 is equal to 4n. So 240 is equal to 4n. So n is equal to 4n is equal to 240 upon 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 zeros are 0. So let me check whether it is correct or not. Exercise 5.2, 14th question. Okay, we want to find the 14th question. We want to find 14th question. exercise 5.2, 14th question, 60 numbers. Okay, our answer is correct. So 60 numbers, how many multiples? 60 multiples of 4 lies between 60 multiples of 4 lies between 10 to 25, 10 to 10 and 250. So first of all we want to find AP. What has been given here? With the help of this we will find the AP, or after finding the AP we will find the number of terms, that is n. So यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि 10 और 250 के बीच में ऐसे कौन कौन से मल्टीपल्स हैं जो 4 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. तो हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्मॉलेस्ट मल्टीपल फाइंड किया 10 और 250 के बीच का, और ग्रेटेस्ट मल्टीपल फाइंड किया 10 और 250 के बीच का. So I hope you have understood. Let us move to the next question. Now for the first value of n, for the what value of n, nth terms of the APs 63, 65, 67 and this are equal. 3 and 10 and 17 are equal. 2 APs has been given to you and you have to find for what value of n, the nth terms are the same. So nothing we have to do. This is the first AP. Let the nth term of the, for the n, the nth term of the both the APs are same. हमको दोनों AP दी हुई हैं, दोनों AP हमने लिख लिया. फिर हमने इसमें अज्यूम किया let the nth term of for n the nth term of both the APs are same. So for the first AP, an is equal to for the n the nth term of the both the APs are same. So nth term of first AP, an is equal to nth term of first AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for the first AP here, a is equal to 63, d is equal to 2. So a 2 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. So 2 plus 2n minus 2, a is equal to 63 here. Sorry. 63 plus 2n, that is 61 plus 2n first an AP first AP का a1 an मान लो, a1 an मान लो, और a2n क्या हो जाएगा सेकेंड AP का. फॉर द सेकेंड AP, फॉर द फर्स्ट AP, फॉर द फर्स्ट AP a1 an, फॉर द सेकेंड AP, फॉर द second AP a2 an is equal to a2 plus n minus 1 into d. This is the a1, this is the d1. Now what is the a2? a2 मतलब फर्स्ट टर्म हम बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पर. a2 is 3, d is equal to 7. So a2n is equal to d. a2 की वैल्यू क्या है? फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ सेकेंड AP, first term of second AP is 3 and n plus 1. And what is the d here? 7. D is 7 here. So a2n is equal to 3 plus 3n minus 7. That is 3n minus 4. So a2n. Up for we have assumed that कि for the value of n, both the nth term of both the APs are same. So we will compare them. a1n is equal to a2n, मतलब nth term of first AP is equal to nth term of second AP. For the value of n, let a1n is equal to a2n. So 61 plus 2n is equal to 3n minus 4n. So 61 plus 4 is equal to 3n minus 2n, that is 65. N is equal to 65. So for the value of n, for 65 terms, for the n is equal to 65, the nth term of both the APs are same. So with the help of this we can find the nth term. n मिल गया, हम इसको nth term फाइंड कर सकते हैं. a1n क्या हो जाएगा? a1n क्या हो जाएगा? 61 plus 2 into 65, that is 61 plus 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 120, that is 181. अब हम फाइंड करें a2n क्या है यहाँ पर? 3n minus 4, 3n minus 4. So 3 into 65 minus 4, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18 minus 4, 181. So for the value of n, that means if n is equal to 65, then nth term of both the APs are same. इसका आंसर होगा for n is equal to 65. For n is equal to 65, nth term of both the APs are same. I hope you have understood. For what value of n, the nth term of the APs are same. So let us assume that for n is equal to nth term of both the APs are same. Nth term of both the APs are same. So for the first AP, यहाँ पे इसको अलग कर दो. For n, value of n, the nth term of both the APs are same. So first term, for the first AP nth term क्या मिला हमको? 61 plus 2n. For the second AP हमको nth term क्या मिला? 3n minus 4. हमने assume किया था कि for the value of n, a1n is equal to a2n. nth term दोनों APs की same होंगी for the value of n. So in this way, by comparing both the nth term of both the APs, we will find the value of n. After getting the n, we can check it कि दोनों की इस वैल्यू के लिए nth टर्म सेम मिल रही है कि नहीं. n की इस वैल्यू के लिए इसकी nth टर्म, फर्स्ट एपी की nth टर्म है 181 और सेकेंड एपी की nth टर्म है 181. दैट मीन्स जो हमने n की वैल्यू फाइंड की है, दिस इज करेक्ट. Determine the AP whose third term is 16th and seventh term 8th third term. Third term means third term of the AP is 16. That is A plus 2D is equal to 16. This is the first equation. And what is the next condition? 7th term exceeds the 15th term. Determine the AP. आपको क्या करना है? You want to find the AP. You have to generate the AP with the given information. The third term is 16, so A plus 2D is equal to 16. Now, 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. 7th term, that means 7th term is equal to 5th term plus 12. मतलब कि यदि हम 5th term में 12 ऐड करेंगे तब जाके वो 7th term के इक्वल होगी. इनकी रिलेशन का मतलब यही हुआ, 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. That means 7th term 5th term से 12, 7th term is 12 more than the 15th term. Or we can say in another word, is 7th term is equal to 5th term plus 12. That then they will be equal. So 7th term is equal to A plus 6D and 15th term is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. So in this way A will cancel by each other. 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. So here the 2D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 6. On putting the value of D in equation number 1, equation number 1. What we will get here? A plus 2D is equal to 16, D is equal to 6. So A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12 is equal to 16. So A is equal to 16 minus 12, that is A is equal to 4. So in this way we have got the A and D both. Hai na? So AP we have to generate. What is AP? When A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 6. So first term will be 4. Second term will be, देखो जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ AP क्या होता है? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is the general form. So first term A होगी 4. Second term A plus D, that is 4 plus 6. And third term क्या हो जाएगी? A plus 2 into 6. मतलब 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 into 6, 4 plus 3 into 6. So 4 plus 6, 10. 4 plus 4, 2 6 are 12, plus 4, 16. And 6 3 are 18 plus 2. 6 3 are 18 plus 4, 22. So in this way our required AP will be 4, 10, 16, 24. Answer AP will be, AP is equal to 4, 10, 16, 20, 16, 22 and so on. So I hope you have understood this. With the help of the given information we have find the D and A, है ना? D आपने फाइंड किया फर्स्ट टर्म के लिए. थर्ड टर्म दिया है 16, तो A plus 2D इज इक्वल टू 16. उसके बाद दिया है कि 7 टर्म जो है वो 15 टर्म से 12 अधिक है, और 7 टर्म एक्सटीड द फिफ्थ टर्म बाय 12. दैट मीन्स व्हेन यू विल ऐड द 12 टू द फिफ्थ टर्म you will get the 17 term. So in this way we are getting the second relation. With the help of this relation, we will find the value of D. We will equate these two, and on putting the value of D in equation 1 we are finding the value of A, and when we find the A and D we can generate the AP with the help of general form. Thank you children. So I hope all of you are studying and practice at your home. So do it well. Or if any problem, if you have any doubt, you can send your doubts on the personal comment in Google Classroom. Okay.